Hey family, welcome back to another week of Shifting State. Today I have a dilemma. Well, this week I had a dilemma. I ended up catching a screw in my tire, but luckily my buddy Chris over here at Twisted Grip Cycles is looking out for me. Got me 2 new tires ordered and he's in the process of working on it right now. Let's go see what he's doing. So there's that big mama jammer right there. And Chris working hard. So, yep, out here in Amelia, he's looking out for me, putting into work, changing my tires, getting me back on the road. I appreciate it so much. Just breaking the bead, I guess.
Yeah. Yep. That's like the hardest part to do. If you didn't have a tire machine, that would be pretty difficult to do.
Out with the old and with the new. No, what should I say? I might be a motorcycle mechanic, but I can't fix. That doesn't apply to me, so. Oh Lordy. So what are we running on here?
What's that?
The Michelins?
Yeah, Michelin Commander 2.
Now, is this just a better tire than what I was running?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. You'll get great mileage out of it.
What about grip?
You don't need that.
Alright, so if I go down a corner, I'll remember that. Are we still running those at 42 or are they different? Cool. On this episode of Twisted Grip, this week the guys work on.
Well, you know, nobody really ever does this, like record anything in the back. You know what I mean?
Well, because this time it's kind of frowned upon.
Top secret.
Yeah.
It is top secret. Can't show them the board trick. That's how I do it by myself.
The board trick?
My 2x4 is my best friend. Only friend I got.
So yeah, it definitely looks like you got a full shop in here today. So now that Chris has got the tire off, I want to see, where's that damn screw at? There we go.
don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, it went in there pretty good. Yeah, good stuff. I have no idea where I picked that up at.
On the road.
You think?
They call that full penetration.
Oh. So he is a professional. He's pulling on a torque wrench. Or is that just for show? It's just for show? Okay. He normally does a guesstimation. I'm not gonna die.
Not gonna die because of the work that I do. But if you do, this is why we do this. So my fingerprints are on.
You dirty mother sucker.
I'm not cleaning your room.
Huh?
I'm not cleaning your room.
Damn, I'm going all out.
Yeah, you need to clean this.
Yeah, I don't like cleaning the rims. I'm gonna be honest.
I cleaned my wife's bike yesterday, man. I had to do some work to it. I'm thinking the whole time, like, nobody cleans my bikes. You know what I mean? If I go ride on a dirt bike, I have to.
Nobody sprays it down for you, nothing.
I have to hire somebody to do that. Tim, you need a job during the week, don't you?
No. This is my job. I'm just trying to get paid for it. I guess I'm kind of
Maybe I
intern.
could work something out in the summertime.
For what?
For you to hang out here, and I could pay you to help me, but also record stuff, so it's a win-win for you.
I wouldn't argue that. I can answer phones.
You're like one of the few people that would work here that has a driver's license. So.
And I don't have any felonies.
Yeah, that's great. How long did that take? 15 minutes?
No, it wasn't long at all. So, before we take this one off, you want to tell everybody where I messed up and about this cupping stuff and how to prevent it? You know, since we're trying to be educational and stuff. Yeah. All right. So, educate the people.
Well, if you look at the wear on this tire, slow here, high in the middle. That's a common sign of low air pressure. I see it a lot. Supposed to run anywhere from 40, 42 pounds, front and rear on most bikes. There are some exceptions, but that's a prime example of not keeping up with your air pressure. This tire probably would have gone at least a couple thousand more miles before replacing it. The other thing that I wanted to point out on these tires is the date code. Maybe on the one outside, I don't know where it's at on this tire. But on the date code, if you have a date code on a tire, it tells you when it was manufactured.
Might be on the other side. Let's see.
We'll look at the one outside. So this tire was the 39th week of 38th week of 2016, which is acceptable. I think you're allowed 8 years for inspection purposes. The tire outside was made the 6th week of 2018, so it's a new tire. Sometimes when you order tires online, they're trying to get rid of older tires, and if you check the date code, I've seen tires come in here 12 years old, 14 years old, and the guy's like, I got a hell of a deal on it. And I'm like, you want to put your life on that, you know what I mean? So there's a reason that you support your local business, man. Buy tires from your motorcycle shop. Show you something awesome to do.
Royal Crown.
Crown Royal.
Shop hack 101.
Yeah, any of you guys out there drink this, give me some bags, man. It's getting dirty. I need the big one, so go get the big bottle.
So what's that? That's about a $20 purchase, right? Yeah. And you get, I think it's about 19 something.
Yeah. I don't buy it.
Is it one of the guys you were talking about that hang around with no driver's license?
That's probably why. Let me get my metric Allens.
Yeah, Chris just put his sack all over my brakes. Yeah.
rotation on this tire. It goes one way. It's a dual disc. There's no direction on this wheel to indicate what is left and right. So you always have to pay attention when you pull it off.
Before you take it off.
Hope that the last guy installed it right. So right now it's going counterclockwise. So, and just noted, if you're hanging in the shop, leave my tire alone. I lay it down the way it came off in case I forget. I can check it. A lot of customers want to pick it up and look at their tire, and they flip it all around, and then I forget. Just want to throw that out there. While we're here, always check the valve stem, rubber valve stem. Make sure there's no dry rot cracks or anything like that. This one looks like it has a little bit, so we'll replace it.
Cool.
Special tool here. Cut it out, and then you freak the customer out by saying you don't have any more, and I have to wait till tomorrow.
That's cool. You give me a ride home? So back to the day code.
4th week of 2018. So
we got a new one. And counterclockwise, right?
Oh, you didn't touch my tire.
I didn't touch your tire. That was weak.
Yeah, it didn't pop. No weights. You know how many puts of A-hangers on this thing?
No, God
Yes,
no.
sir.
God no.
Yes, sir. Wheelie riding. It's like riding wheelies.
Yeah, I can ride wheelies on this if I want to. I don't want to mess my bike up.
Woo.
Yeah. Bye-bye, old tires. He's so strong.
All right.
All right, so the new tires are on, thanks to Mr. Chris over here at Twisted Grip. You got anything you want to add?
Have a tire wheel package on your extended service plan. Come see me.
It's worth the drive. Take my word for it. All right, guys, so the bike's all wrapped up. Thanks to Chris over there. We're going to go get something to eat because we're both starving and the week's not done, so stay tuned.